Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to fix an issue with the Divi Text Module where the regular font weight doesn't work as expected. If you've noticed that setting the font weight to regular in your text module actually gives your text a weight of 500 instead of the intended 400, you're not alone. This happens because Divi doesn't explicitly define a font weight in the CSS when you choose regular. Instead, the text module inherits the weight set in the theme customizer, which by default is medium, equal to a font weight of 500. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two ways to fix this: by adjusting the customizer settings or by applying custom CSS. By the end, your regular font weight will correctly apply a weight of 400 to your text. Let's get started. One way to fix the issue with the Divi Text Module's regular font weight is by using the Theme Customizer to set the global font weight to regular. This approach ensures that the body text throughout your site defaults to a font weight of 400. However, keep in mind that because this is a global setting, it could also affect the font weight of other elements on your site, not just the text module. To begin, head over to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the Divi option and click on it. From the drop-down, select Theme Customizer. This will open the Customizer interface, where you'll find a variety of settings that can be applied globally across your Divi site. Once you're inside the Theme Customizer, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on General Settings, and then select Typography. This will open up the global typography settings for your Divi site, where you can configure font-related options. Scroll down within the typography settings, and you'll find an option labeled Body Font Weight. This determines the default font weight for the body text across your Divi site. Set this value to regular, which corresponds to a font weight of 400. This adjustment ensures that when you set your text module to regular, it inherits the correct weight of 400, functioning as expected. Keep in mind that this is a global setting, so it will also affect other elements across your site that don't have a specific font weight applied. Once you've made your changes in the Theme Customizer, click the Publish button at the top of the screen. This will save and apply your new settings to your site. Now it's time to test the changes. Open the settings for your text module, then navigate to the Design tab. Under the Text section, set the text font weight to regular. Once that's done, view the text module on the front end of your site. You should now see that the font weight is correctly set to 400, accurately reflecting the regular weight in the CSS. Another effective way to address the issue is by using custom CSS to set a default font weight of 400 for text modules. This ensures that when you set the font weight to regular in the text module settings, it will correctly apply the intended weight of 400, making the module behave as expected. Let's explore how to do this step by step. To access Divi's theme options, start by going to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on the Divi option. From there, select Theme Options in the submenu. This will open up a panel where you can configure various settings to customize how Divi behaves across your site. In the Divi Theme Options, click on the General tab. This is where you'll find the primary site-wide settings. Scroll down to the bottom of this section and you'll see a box labeled Custom CSS. This is where you can add your own CSS code, which will be applied alongside the default CSS that Divi provides. In the Custom CSS box, you can now add a simple CSS snippet to fix the font weight issue. This code will set the default font weight for text modules to 400, ensuring that when you select regular in the text module, it behaves as expected. If you'd like to see the exact CSS code, it's available in the accompanying post for reference. This adjustment will help align the font weight with your design intentions. After adding your custom CSS, you'll need to save the changes to apply them. To do this, simply click the Save Changes button, which you'll find at the top or bottom of the Divi Theme Options area. This ensures your adjustments are implemented across your site. Now it's time to check if everything is working correctly. Open the settings for your text module and navigate to the Design tab. Under the Text section, set the text font weight to regular. Then, preview the module on the front end of your site. You should see that the font weight is now correctly set to 400, which corresponds to regular in the CSS. By applying these tweaks, you can achieve a consistent and polished appearance for the text on your website. Ensuring that your font weights align with your design intentions plays a big role in maintaining a professional and cohesive aesthetic. If these solutions have resolved your issue, you can now continue building with confidence, mastering the finer details of typography in Divi.